We'll guide you through how to make a portal transition in DaVinci Resolve. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch DaVinci Resolve and creating a new project. Once the project is ready, open the Edit tab, where you will perform the main editing work. Import all the video clips you want to use into the media pool so they are available for your project. Next, drag the clips onto the timeline and arrange them in the order you want. Before adding the transition, trim the parts of the clips that you do not need for editing so the timeline contains only the footage you plan to use. After that, go to the Effects panel and open the Video Transition section. Locate the Drop War Transition and drag it between the two clips on the timeline where you want the portal effect to appear. When the transition is in place, right-click it and select Open in Fusion to access the node-based editing workspace. In Fusion, add a background node and an ellipse node. Then add a merge node and connect all the nodes correctly so they work together. Open the ellipse settings and uncheck the solid option. Increase both the soft edge and border width values to create a smoother ring shape. Next, right-click the width parameter, select expression, and link it to the height parameter so the shape remains proportional. Then right-click height, choose Modify Width, and select Anim Curves to animate the effect. Open the Modifiers tab, change the curve type to Easing, and set both the in and out options to Sine for smoother motion. Set the scale value to 1.5 to increase the size of the animation. After that, return to the background node and change its color to white. Add a displace node and a fast noise node. Then adjust their settings until you achieve the portal effect you want. To enhance the look, add a glow node and customize its settings according to your preference. Once the effect is complete, return to the edit page and preview the transition to make sure everything looks correct. Finally, export the finished video and save in your desired format and resolution for sharing.